Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Ishita in the World Classroom. Today, folks, I will teach you how to say the months of the year. Okay, let's start. Les mois de lundi aussi. The month of the year in French. Let's start. What I would like to do now is to repeat after me. They are quite hard, quite long, and watch my mouth. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, December. Okay, are you okay? Now let's repeat them again. Okay, repeat one more time. Répétez encore une fois. Répétez après moi. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, November, December. Bravo. Okay. Now repeat them on your own looking at the screen. Can you do that? Without my help. Now look carefully and repeat it. Here we go. December. Bravo. Bravo. Now let's compare the month, or when you are compare the months with the English language or any other language. Like, the good thing is that it begins with the same letter as in English, right? As in English, you know the month of the year, you know the beginner letter, right? So it's quite easier for you, right? And if you know the first letter in English, you will know two letters of the French month of the year, because they are quite similar, right? Similar, except for Avril and Août. Okay, April and August are the only 2 months in French where it does not begin with the same way. The two letters are not matching with in English language. Now listen to this. September, October, November, December. Like, there you go. You are not at all worried to learn the 4 of the 12 months of the year, because they sound very similar to English. September in English, Septembre in French. All you have to do is to invert the R and E in the end. September, October, November, December. Easy. Okay? Now, what about the mois? Avril, May. They sound, March is March, right? Avril is April, May is May. Okay, so that sounds quite similar, right? So I don't think so you have to face any problem while learning that, right? So it's pretty easy, no?